Hello, I'm Andy, and here's a new program. There's been so many requests from people all over the world. So I've created a program called Career, Business, Financial Speculation, and Lotteries. And I hope I can do well for you somehow or another. And this is for June, month of June 2017, and it's for you coming from Aries. Let's start with your career. Now, from June the 1st to about June the 18th, you are going to meet some hurdles in your career. You are going to be exposed to risk in the sense of being too argumentative or being not cooperative, so don't do that. Regarding your career, as we go on to the last 12 days of June, the situation improves a lot. Now you will be able to find solutions where earlier you couldn't. If you are going to apply for a job, or if you have already applied for a new job, you will get some good news from the 20th of June until the end of June. So that's for your career areas. So you can't afford to take risks of any kind in behavior patterns or otherwise at your place of work from the 1st of June until the roughly 18th of June. Let's talk of business. Now regarding business, hang on, I want to go back to the career areas for you. I'm going to give you some lucky dates during the month of June, whereby you can maybe approach your boss or ask for betterment in your career or make your applications for other jobs or try to negotiate for areas of other jobs as well. And the lucky dates I've chosen for you for the month of June are the 9th, the 18th, and the 27th. Now on these dates, the alignment of planets are very helpful to you and they produce plenty of opportunities. I'm also going to give you a list of lucky ages. And if you happen to be of these ages while you are listening to this program, then you should make an attempt to move ahead in terms of career areas. And your lucky ages for your career areas are the 28th, the 37th, the 46th, the 55, the 64, or the 73. So if you are any of these ages which I've just mentioned, 28, 37, 46, 55, 64, or 73, then you are going to be pretty lucky in this month. And in fact, you will be as long as you remain these ages in 2017, you will have some element of support for you. Now let me talk to you about your business areas. Your business areas are the same as your career areas, but I apply them differently. So watch out that from the 1st of June until the 18th or 19th of June, you cannot afford to take risks. In fact, negative planets are very powerful and very active. So you will have a sense of being under stress, being anxious. It's more money out than money in. And there will also be delays in finding any progress in business. The lucky dates which I'm going to give you are the same as the career dates. So your lucky dates for June for business are the 9th, the 18th, and the 27th. And your lucky ages are the same as the ones for career. So if you are the ages of 28 or 37 or 46 or 55 or 64 or 73, you are going to find some progress even in the first 18 days of June, although they are difficult. Now for business, your last 12 days or so improve a lot. They allow you to make changes, they allow you to look for new contracts, they allow you new business partnerships that can form. So be active during the last 12 days or so of June and you will find some good luck coming for you. Regarding financial speculation, now of course it depends which country you are from, but we'll forget about that. It's about you coming from Aries. Now regarding financial speculation, the luck is not with you for the first 18 days. So you definitely don't want to risk any kind of investment, because whatever you try and do, the changing patterns from day to day are very tremendously against you. And you'll have to be very cautious that whatever you do in the first 18 days just will not be the right timing, or the element of luck will be very poor. Now this is where if you make a personal consultation with me through Skype or through other ways, I'll be able to, based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palms, give you your own very special good days, bad days, ages and colors and everything like that. Until then, let's move on. Now, this financial speculation, I do it for your good in the areas of Forex and the stock market and bonds and things like that. So your good dates for financial speculation, I'm now going to read to you. And your good dates are the 1st, the 10th, the 19th and the 28th. On these dates in the month of June, you have a very special planet that brings a very good aura. It's called lucky aura. And so it makes you touch the right buttons, and I use this for speculation. Speculation is 70% luck and 30% facts and figures. Alright, so use these dates for financial speculation, 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th. And regarding the ages, it also applies for you. If you happen to be the ages of the 28 or 37 or 46 or 55 or 64 or 73, you're going to be pretty lucky in financial speculations, especially during the month of June. Now, regarding lotteries, everyone wants to win a lottery, and why shouldn't they? Why shouldn't you? So for Aries, I have now devised a series of numbers. In the end of the day, it is you who are going to use your luck. It's not me who is going to use your luck, or neither are you going to use my luck. So for the month of June, I'm going to give you some series, and I'll explain this to you. Now, just write this down slowly, or write this down later if you want. I'm going to call my first lucky series for the month of June the 2 series, the number 2 series. And that means that the number 2, the number 11, the number 20th, the number 29, the number 38, the number 47, and the number 56 are going to be very important for you coming from Aries to use in your speculation areas. Why are they called series? For example, when I say the number 11, when you add 1 and 1, it becomes to 2. So the root number is 2. When I talk of the number 20, 2 and 0, it comes to 2. So it comes back to the root number 2. When I use, say to you the number 29, so 2 and 9, you add them, they come to 11. And then you keep adding the 11, 1 and 1 equals 2. So 2 and 9 equals 11, and then 1 and 1 of the 11 equals 2, so it comes back to root number 2. So that's why I call it the 2 series. It's very prominent for Aries, the 2 series in the month of June. I'll give you another series as well, so that you can have a little bit of excitement as to how to use the second series. The second series, I'm going to call it the 9 series. And that means the number 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 or 63 are also going to be very lucky numbers for you in the month of June. Now, in different countries, there's lotto and there's all kinds of sports toto and whatnot. And they normally use up to 60 numbers. So I'm covering the 60 numbers for you. Okay? So I wish you the best of luck for that. Now, regarding your daily calendar, we all have a daily calendar. Every day an alignment of planet comes for us, whether we are in Aries or in Taurus or in Gemini. But if I may have your full date of birth and time of birth, and if I may look at your palms, because your palms are divided into 10 areas, the 9 planets in the universe and the 10th one, the Earth that we are on, then I'll be able to give you your own lucky ages, your own lucky dates, your own series, and I'll give you a calendar which for the rest of your life, this will be your calendar based on your date and time of birth, and also some looking of your palms as well. And that will be, this lucky calendar will be able to tell you your good and bad dates and days for the rest of your life. You'll only understand it one day when we do it. I'm Skyping and I'm charging USD 50 for Skype. And go to Facebook and follow me, or go to Skype and leave me a message. My Skype ID is Andy, A-N-D-I, space, Future Talk, F-U-T-U-R-E-T-A-L-K. Future Talk is one word. and I look forward to seeing you. So for this month of June, this is what I can tell you. As we go on for month of July, August, I will add more little things in your area of career, business, financial speculation and lotteries. Until then, thank you and good luck.